Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So actually all you have to do is simply open the security, so let's tap on it. Here you of course have to give all the permissions and authorizations, and here we've got the security scan, so let's tap on it. Here again just agree to everything actually, and as you can see your device will be scanned itself in order to find some viruses or malware, and in my case my device is secured, everything looks good, so actually that's all in my case. But if your device will catch some viruses or malware, then they will notify you that. It will list all the problems your device have, and then you will be able to manually correct them and fix them. So actually that's all. This is how to virus scan your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.